So with Eli Tomac in a commanding lead of the Supercross season, and with the Supercross season winding down, him being number 1 points with 341, and Jason Anderson being second place with 298, he's got a pretty good chance of just winning. Obviously, there's 2 rounds left. He can actually clinch this season title this round in Denver, his technically, his home race, whatever. But the question is, I'm gonna in the comments below, tell me, do you think this title is better than his first one, or worse, however you want to say it? Obviously, he won his first Supercross title in 2020. The non-fan, all Utah kind of season, which, it's a little bit of the asterisk thing, like every other sport, all the champions who won during that year, because obviously if you're racing in Utah, he has a pretty good upper hand in that, training and living in Colorado, training in Colorado, having the high altitude capacity training or whatever he's done. So obviously, all the people that are from California, from Florida, sea level, like they have a lot harder of a time adjusting to something like that than he would, almost being in his home state, almost, around the same elevation and everything else. And obviously, always on the same track. Yes, the jumps changed and layouts changed and everything else, but still the same dirt, still the same state, never changing, no fans, whatever. This season, 2022, obviously, it's a full season, full fans, full schedule, 17 rounds, all over the country, so different tracks, different dirt, different elevations, different layouts, of course, too. So, personally, I think this one is better. I don't know how you say it. I mean, you get asterisks for this, too, because, obviously, Roxon's out, Ferrandis is out now, you got Plessinger been out for the whole round. Like, you get a lot of people got hurt this season, so that takes a little bit away from it because he's not exactly racing the full field, but he still looks, his first year on the Yamaha, he still looks pretty good, you gotta say. Like, 29, coming into this year healthy, and just looking like a rocket ship. So, personally, I think this season, to me, is a better representation of a championship year than it was in Utah, because at the beginning of the year, he still had all the full field, you had everyone racing, and he still showed he can get, on a new bike, on a fully new team, fully new environment, that he's still fast, he still has endurance like he always has. He's 29, so he's older than he's ever been, and he's still racing. You've got younger guys coming up, look at Chase Sexton, Malcolm Stewart's doing well, you got Dylan Ferrandis obviously coming up. So to me, this is a better championship season than the 2021 was. I think it means more. Obviously, being the second, it's not the same kind of, like, it's not my first championship, but I think it means more in the fact that it was, people have tracks that are stronger than them, again, all around the country, different sand and dirt and different setups, all that kind of stuff. But in the comments below, tell me what you think. Answer my question. Is this one or his first one more, not important, but more like a better title? I don't know how you want to say it, but comment below, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.